Hi guys, so today I'm going to be doing my September Boxycharm unboxing. So this month's theme for Boxycharm is all access, and I got variation number 13. The variation number's on the front of the card again for some reason. So the first thing that I got in my box is from Dr. Brandt, and it's the Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask. That's what the box looks like. And then that's what the actual tube looks like. And the Hydrobiotic Sleeping Mask retails for $52, which is like super expensive, but Dr. Brandt is a really like luxury skincare brand, so they have like really good ingredients, so that's why their products are more on the pricey side. And then the next thing that I got in my box is from Royal and Langnickel. It's a brush brand, and it's a 5-piece brush set. This is the Moda Pro Deluxe Eye Kit. The brush set retails for $27.95. So yeah, you get 5 brushes. You get a like liner brush, you get like a fluffy brush, a like more flat shader brush, a pencil brush, and then a bigger like fluffy blending brush that I already used. So I lost the clip, but I got the Too Faced Natural Face Palette in my box, so yeah. So I used this bronzer shade, which is called Sunny Honey, and then I used the Pink Sand blush, which is more like mauve tone, and then I kind of just mixed the two highlights, which are Starlight and Satin Sheets. Starlight is more like pinky tone, which I don't mind. I like pinky type highlights, and then Satin Sheets is more of like a golden undertone. It is like ever so slightly like too golden for my skin tone, which is why I mixed the two. It's a really pretty face palette. So yeah, I like this face palette. It's really nice. And then the next thing that I got in my box is from Billion Dollar Brows. It's their Microblade Effect brow pen, and this retails for $18. So it's like a felt tip like eyebrow pen, but I don't know if you can see. It's got like, it almost looks like a little like fork or something, but that's what creates the like microbladed effect in your brows. It just creates like hair-like strokes, and I only use this on like the front of my brows today just to try it out, and I didn't think I was gonna like this like at all, and it actually was really nice. It just made my brows look more like fuller because it does create those like brow-like hair strokes. So I actually quite like this. Like I said, I didn't think I was gonna like it, so I'm definitely gonna have to keep trying this. And also I got mine in the shade Taupe if you're curious. And then the last thing that I got in my box is from Hank and Henry, and it's their Blickety Black Longwear Liquid Eyeliner. That's what the packaging looks like. And the eyeliner retails for $20. So yeah, this is just like a felt tip eyeliner. It's super nice. It is like a satin finish, which I don't really mind because it's not super shiny. So I did use it today and I really like it. It's like super easy to apply, but I would say the only downside with that is that it is really easy to like overdraw your eyeliner and like make it really thick. If you just have like a really soft touch and steady hand, you can get a really nice wing. So yeah, I really like this eyeliner. Also, I forgot to mention, I did use the face palette as like my eyeshadow. I used the same Sunny Honey bronzer as my eyeshadow, just like all over my lid and in my crease, and then I took the same two highlight shades and highlighted my inner corner and brow bone just for like a really quick, easy eyeshadow look. So normally I would like try stuff on camera, but I just really wanted to just do my makeup and have the video kind of short since there wasn't really too much to try on anyways. So like I said, I really like the face palette. It's like super pretty and I can see myself using this a lot. I really like the eyeliner as well. Like I said, I don't mind that it's like a satin finish because it's not like super shiny and it's really easy to apply, which I like. So I'm definitely gonna keep using the eyeliner. And I love the brushes as always. I love getting makeup brushes. These ones are super soft and you can get this brand and these brushes at Walmart, so that's really cool. And then like I said, I didn't think I was gonna like the eyebrow microblade pen just because I've never like used or tried anything like this before, and I really liked how it looks in the front of my brows. I will try this like a different day, just use this alone throughout my whole brow. I feel like this will give like a more natural, almost like no makeup type look. So I'm excited to keep using this. I haven't tried the Dr. Brandt Hydrobiotic Sleeping Mask yet, but I am pretty excited to use this because it's supposed to like hydrate your skin and calm like redness and kind of like soothe your skin. So I'm really excited to try this. Also, if you're wondering what's on my lips, I'm wearing the Kylie lip kit in the shade Ginger, so I'm wearing the lip liner and the liquid lipstick. So yeah, that was everything in my September 2019 Boxycharm. I think it was an okay box. It wasn't like the worst or the best, but I like pretty much everything besides this because I haven't tried it yet. So yeah, I think it was a good box. The face palette is like really pretty. I like the eyeliner and the brow pen and the brushes. So let me know what you guys got in your box because there was a few different variations. You could either get the Too Faced face palette, or there was a Tarte like face and eye palette, or the Violet Voss like Essentials eyeshadow palette. I'm not sure exactly like what it was called, but it was a eyeshadow palette. So let me know what you guys got. So yeah, that was everything in my box. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.